Hey, this is Rob coming at you from Soundwaves here in Tampa, Florida. As you guys know, Apple had just recently, just a couple hours ago, released the iPad mini. Well, our fabricators, Chris and Pete, have been hard at work, and we got something very exciting to show you. Come on, check it out. So they custom made a dash in this 2012 Toyota Corolla that we can push on the side here, slide the iPad mini right in, closes up. We also have a full Audison digital system in here that will allow us to do the audio completely from the Audison Bit 1, go into a couple Audison Voce amps, fully digital. So just kind of give you an example of what we got. We can go on Pandora here. Down here is our volume control.
Yes, all right. I'll say it.
Full internet access in the car here, so we can go on Facebook. iHeartRadio, so for your favorite radio stations locally.
Nice to meet you. I think you're famous. Where have I seen you? You'll be my William. I'll be your Kate. Living like a fairy tale.
We haven't had any time to load any videos on it yet, but full audio through the music. Be sure to check out our website at soundwavesoftampa.com or our Facebook page, facebook.com/soundwavesoftampa. Or feel free to give us a call on any questions, 813-849-1104. Once again, this is Rob coming at you from Soundwaves in Tampa, Florida.